Good morning once again, children. So, in the last video in moral science, we have completed one more chapter, that is lesson number 2, the birthday present. So, that was a small story about a daughter and a father. And the moral of the story was parental love is the only love that is truly unconditional. Means our parents loved us truly and unconditionally. So, here are some words which were with their meanings. Fainted, become unconscious, probably, maybe, weeping, crying, persisted, continued, without, fail. Now, come up to the exercise, children. Page number 11. Complete the following sentences. The girl asked her father, "What are you going to give me for my next birthday?" Here we have to complete the sentences from the chapter. Second, the girl fainted and she was rushed to hospital after examining. The doctor told, you can write after examining, till after examining also. If you can learn more, then you can write the doctor told that she has a serious heart problem. Rush to the hospital is also okay. If you want to write one more line, you can write one more line. There are two options in this. Then the third one, the father told the girl in the hospital that she will not die, and reached the door weeping. So this was till 3. Turn the next page. That is 4. Page number 12. 4. The girl came home and found a letter on her bed. Find a letter on a bed. Then 5th one, the girl's father gave her the present as his heart for the whole life. What was the present that her father has given? Her father has given that it was his whole heart given for his life. Now there are few antonyms here. Faint. Faint is not a particular word, so there are many more antonyms given. You can learn any one. Write all, but learn any one. It can be distinct. Well means you are well. Strong and brave. I have given you 4. Any one you can learn it, but write all the 4 in the book. Then reply, cause, request, pole, effect. Again there are 4 because we don't know which kind of reply is this. So cause, request, pole, effect. Weep, that is you can write laugh or rejoice. Recover, worsen or Detroit. Present, absent. Present, absent. So this is the few things which are there. Question answers I will be giving you in the next video. Till then, come up to page number 13. There is a puzzle given over here. There is a puzzle given here. Can you see this puzzle? Our parents bring us up with a lot of care, love, affection. As they grew old, we take few certain duties towards them, and it is our responsibility to make their old age comfortable. From the grid given below, find out 10 words that shows what our parents deserve in their old age. Now, here what is given, there is a grid given. This is a grid given, and you have to take out 10 words in which the words will be when our parents are in their old age. So what things they require from us. So you have to find out those 10 things. I have found at least 8 for you. 2 is your homework. You have to find out. I will tell you. Where is the first one? This one. Company. Second, love. Then third is care. Fourth is comfort. Fifth is attention. Sixth is security, 7th is happiness, and the 8th is affection. And 9 and 10 is your homework. Please find it, and then what you will do is you will write all the words here in the given blank space. All the 10 words you will write here in this blank space. So a small homework for you, that you have to find 2 more words. There are 10 words inside this. I have found 8 for you. 2 is your homework, and you will find out and you will write it in this blank space. Then in the next video I will upload the question answers for you. Till then, thank you so much, children.